Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your Linktree profile on other platforms. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Linktree app. And first off, you have to see the preview of your profile. Tap on the bottom center icon, preview, and here you will see this is your link tree. On the top right corner, tap on this share icon here, and you can add link tree to your socials by tapping on that button. And here, if you scroll down, you can share it on Instagram, you can share it on Facebook, TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest. And tap on Instagram, for example, and tap on go to my Instagram, and on this little icon, this square with an arrow on the right side, and here I can share my LinkedIn. You are already logged in, and you can put it in your story. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.